Good morning. Welcome to your daily weather briefing at 10 o'clock. We have some mostly sunny skies out there this morning. Temperatures warming nicely into the mid-40s already. Going to see upper 40s today across the peninsula, even some 50s possible for the inland locations today. We'll see more of a south-southwesterly to southwesterly wind this afternoon. That'll allow for us to see those moderating temperatures. Really a nice day for early to mid-January across the region with temperatures slightly above normal. Taking a look at our current sounding from this morning, we have a freezing level at 6,900 feet. Winds out of the northwest westerly component throughout the column this morning, seeing more westerly winds in the mid-levels and increasing with height, seeing a peak wind this morning out of the west-northwest at 25,000 feet, or I should say northwest at 25,000 feet at 55 knots. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, we have a large area high pressure ridging in from the southeast states over the region. It's giving us nice weather this morning. Continue to do so for the next several days. We'll see this area high pressure move off the coast today as we have a weak disturbance over the southeast states as well. That's going to be moving well south of our region, and another trough moving north of our area tonight. That's going to give us a little bit more cloud cover for overnight, and then it'll allow for our temperatures to be warmer than we saw last night across the region for the start of your Thursday. Taking a look at the satellite imagery this morning, you can see we do have that residual fog west and south of our region, as well as some upper level cirrus cloudiness across the north and western portions of the Mid-Atlantic region this morning. So we'll be continuing to see mostly sunny skies today and really nice weather. No chance of precipitation or lightning today. So taking a look at the European model today for the next few days, we'll see those very nice conditions continuing for Thursday. You can see this weak area low pressure off the south, as well as a weak disturbance off the north. Sandwiched in between is Wallops, and we'll see just generally some partly to mostly cloudy skies tonight with the temperatures in the 30s for overnight lows. We move into Thursday, that system's going to move east of our region. We'll have high pressure building in from the west. See very nice conditions for Thursday once again. Friday looks like we'll have a little bit breezier conditions as the flow becomes more southwesterly to southerly ahead of a stronger cold front that's going to be moving through the region for Friday night into Saturday. And that's going to give us a slight chance of a wind advisory for Friday, but overall, continued mild conditions, partly cloudy skies, and tranquil weather in store. We'll see those unsettled conditions coming in for Saturday early morning hours, possibly lingering into the mid-morning hours for some light rainfall across the region. Right now, the models are showing some cold air trying to catch up with the precipitation for Saturday morning. Right now, very slight chance we see some mixing occurring generally north and west of Wallops for Saturday morning. Could happen, but usually is in the case of these systems, the models overdo the amount of cold air catching up with the precipitation, and the precipitation most likely will be out of here before we see any of that transition to any mixed precipitation for Saturday morning. For Saturday afternoon, going to see a secondary impulse of energy move through, and that's going to give us a decent chance of some showers across the region with the lower thicknesses or cooler temperatures throughout the column or the atmosphere on Saturday afternoon. Can't rule out some mixing occurring with any of those brief showers that move through for Saturday afternoon. Could see some wet snowflakes mixing in possible for Saturday afternoon, but no accumulation expected. The temperatures will be well above freezing. We move into Sunday, we'll see another impulse quickly moving towards the Ohio Valley, and that's going to provide us with a bit breezier conditions as area low pressure well off the northeast states develops, and we see continued tighter pressure gradient across the region. That's going to give us some breezier conditions for Sunday, cooler temperatures, as well as some partly cloudy skies. Monday's forecast still up in the air of whether a system develops along a upper level trough moving in from the west. Right now it looks like those chances are slim that we do see any precipitation in the region on Monday. Moving to Tuesday of next week, going to see another area of disturbance or disturbance moving through the region. And that's going to give us most likely just some tranquil conditions before that disturbance moves through. And we'll continue to monitor the weather pattern for next week as models are really having a tough time with these multiple disturbances moving through and whether they can develop a bit more than is shown or they just remain weak and just giving us more cloud cover from time to time for early next week. So taking a look at our risk chart for today, a high of 49 expected, A low of 34 tonight. Southwesterly winds to south-southwesterly winds today at 7 to 12 knots. And southwest overnight at 5 to 10 knots. We do have a slight chance of some low clouds or fog tomorrow morning. Looks like those chances are most likely below about 15% or 20% tomorrow morning. Expecting VFR conditions the next 24 hours, and we could see some lower level cloud cover around 2,000 to 1,000 feet tonight into tomorrow morning, but otherwise VFR conditions expected. Our tides are slightly above normal, and looking at Thursday and Friday. Thursday, green chart across the board, a really nice day across the area. We'll have mostly to partly cloudy skies during the morning, slight chance of patchy fog, then partly cloudy to mostly sunny, mild, high of 54. Thursday night, partly cloudy, slight chance of patchy fog, low of 33. Looks like a slightly better chance of seeing some fog or low clouds in the region. Light onshore flow will increase our humidity values across the area, as well as high pressure overhead, so can't rule out that patchy fog in the region on Friday morning or Thursday night. And for Friday, partly cloudy to mostly cloudy, mild and slightly breezy. We'll see a high of 55. We'll see those winds gusting most likely around 22 to 23 knots on Friday, so can't rule out a random or sporadic 25 knot gust. So looking at the next 7 days, we'll have that rain likely for Friday night into Saturday at 70%, then a chance of some scattered showers on Saturday afternoon at 40%. Looking like if we were to see any mixed precipitation, it might be with that second impulse coming through for Saturday afternoon with the cooler air aloft as well as the impulse coming through. Can't rule out a wet snowflake or two mixed in with the rain showers. But you can see the high that day will be 47 degrees, so well above freezing if we do see that mixing occur. Then for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, as I mentioned, slight chance of seeing something on Monday in regards to any precipitation moving through, as we do see another impulse or short wave disturbance moving through the region on Monday. Right now, models are still having a tough time determining whether that's going to develop or just kind of be weak moving through the region. Right now, 20% chance of some rain or snow showers for Monday, and mostly cloudy conditions expected. Looks like from Sunday through Tuesday, we'll see temperatures more back towards normal or just slightly below normal. Highs in the mid to upper 40s across the region. Overnight lows finally getting back to below freezing by next Tuesday morning. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day. We'll be back at 8:15 at 10 a.m. tomorrow morning.